Hey there, Ed. I hope you're doing well. Hey, I wanted to take a few minutes just to talk to you about the value of your property. I know you've been there a long time and you've probably been watching the appreciation, which has been going through the roof lately. In fact, here in San Diego, just this year, we've seen appreciation 16 to 20%, on average. So this report I'm going to share with you is pretty cool. I'm just going to get my screen going here. It's interactive, so you can take a look at the properties that I was using for the comps. And of course, if you have any questions on any of this, please ask. So I'm sending this to you in an email, and I'm going to get a chance here to do full screen, so it'll be a little easier for you to review. This is basic information on your property, and you can ignore this description over here. That was something that came up from a previous listing. And this information here is going to show you a side-by-side comparison of the 5 properties that I used. You can click on any one of these and see exactly where it's located in relation to your house, and also the details of that property and all of the photographs. Now, of course, some of these have a larger lot size. They might have different upgrades than yours, some better, some not. And that's why I've included them here in this report. So like I said, this is totally interactive. You can click anywhere and on any of these properties and check them out in full detail. And here's a side-by-side comparison. And here you'll see the averages of these 5 homes. The average sales price has been $896, $550. And we see an average price per square foot of about $529 in the neighborhood. So I take all this information, I looked at all the pictures, I read the descriptions, and then I go on my memory of your house. You may have had some upgrades that I don't know about. So my estimate is going to be just that, an estimate. And that's how I choose the listings that I think would be the best match and the best comps. And this is very similar to what an appraiser does. The average price range that I've come up with for your home is $875 to $925. Of course, there's some big variables out there. We're seeing most homes are being purchased for over the list price. There's bidding wars, especially for homes like yours that are 3-4 bedrooms, 2 bath in this central neighborhood of Claremont. Huge activity right now with lots of offers on the table. And in general, they're accepting those offers within about 9 days. That's how fast things are moving. The amount of inventory that we have in San Diego, you've probably heard, is very low. In fact, it's 0.9 months. So if no other properties came on the market, we would exhaust everything we have in less than a month, which is pretty crazy. But we are starting to see some upticks in inventory. So more sellers, now with COVID on the way out or almost gone, and things have settled down politically and with the civil unrest, we're seeing more people put their homes on the market. And this does mean that these crazy bidding wars are going to be slowing down. Prices should level off, if not drop a little bit. We're not expecting any kind of crash. People have so much equity in their homes right now that there's a lot of options before banks are going to do any foreclosing. So if you have any questions on this, Ed, please reach out. Let me know. I do hope all is well with you. Take care.